Hi, my name is Chad Stoller.
And I'm Jim Hohen.
We are Heavy Equipment Sales Associates with Macqueen Equipment Group, and today we're going to give you a couple helpful hints on your Elgin Pelican.
Safety should always be your first priority. So before working under the hopper, we should always deploy these conveniently located safety supports.
The conveyor belt is a vital part of your machine. Every day you should wash it thoroughly and inspect it for any cuts or gouges. For easy clean out, Elgin has designed these quick attach panels to clean out debris above the main broom. These panels can be retrofitted to fit any NP design. For easy daily cleaning, Elgin has designed a swing away type cooling system so you can very simply blow out all of your cooling fins.
When our curb rooms are 6 inches long, it's time to change them.